Making money with eToro involves trading or investing in stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex, and other assets using its user-friendly platform. Here's how to get started and maximize earnings. Open an eToro account, sign up on eToro.com, complete verification, and deposit funds. Use the demo account to practice trading risk-free before investing real money. Invest in stocks and ETFs. Buy fractional shares of popular stocks like Apple, Tesla, or Amazon. Invest in ETFs for diversified long-term growth. Trade cryptocurrencies and forex. Buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos with low fees. Trade forex pairs like Euro/USD or GBP/USD using leverage cautiously. Use copy trading. With eToro's Copy Trader, you can automatically copy expert trader strategies. Choose top-performing investors and earn passive income as they trade. Earn with eToro's popular investor program. If others copy your trades, eToro pays you a commission based on your followers. The more followers you gain, the more money you can make.